Harison water rowing machine for home, 350 pounds weight capacity foldable rower machine with Bluetooth and LCD monitor, dual slide rails. Sold by Harison Fitness. Experience real rowing with the Harison water rowing machine, equipped with a 12-blade polycarbonate water tank for infinite resistance. Track your progress with the 2-in-1 LCD monitor, featuring Bluetooth connectivity and real-time exercise data display. Engage over 90% of your muscle groups for a full-body workout, enhancing your endurance, stamina, and cardiopulmonary function. Easily move and store the machine with its compact, foldable design and transportation wheels, saving you 75% storage space. Trust in the machine's durability and stability, thanks to its robust steel frame, dual rails, and four-wheel driven design, supporting up to 350 pounds. Enjoy a personalized rowing experience with an ergonomic seat cushion, non-slip handle, and adjustable foot pedals. Rest easy with a 30-day risk-free trial and 1-year warranty, showcasing our commitment to high-performance features at unbeatable cost performance. Rated 5 stars. Order today for $499.99.